Are you new to woodworking and looking for the perfect scroll saw to start your DIY cutting projects? In this video, I'll show you how to set up a scroll saw, start your first cut, and review one of the best beginner-friendly scroll saws available on Amazon. Whether you're making detailed craft pieces, wooden letters, or intricate designs, a scroll saw is an amazing tool, and today I'll help you pick the right one and get started the right way. Today we're taking a closer look at the product name, example, WEN3921 scroll saw, one of the highest-rated beginner scroll saws on Amazon. It's affordable, easy to set up, and designed for precise cutting, even if you've never used a saw before. Features breakdown. White heavy checkmark 16-inch throat depth, perfect for small to medium projects. White heavy checkmark 2-direction cutting, handles both standard and pinned blades. White heavy checkmark variable speed control, smooth cutting from 400 to 1600 strokes per minute. White heavy checkmark tool-free blade changes, great for beginners. White heavy checkmark cast iron base, reduces vibration for cleaner cuts.